Ready? No, honey, nobody's coming. No spiders are going to get you. Here you go. Oh, what happened? Your tongue came out that time. Supposed to do that. You like? Yeah. Here you go. Ready? Look up here. Up here. Ready? Open your mouth. Yeah, that good stuff. Huh? How you like them peas, huh? Pick your head up. Open up. Ah. Yeah. Did you stick your finger down there and so he could bite you?
No, don't bite me.
No, don't touch it.
Mom, you come help me.
Lily, stay off the porch, and as soon as I get done feeding your sister, I will come out there and see. Okay?
Okay.
Open up, Allie. Pick your head up. There you go. Open up. Ah. That's some good stuff, isn't it? Yeah. Here you go. Oh, is that good stuff? Go get that spoon, huh? Yeah. You want every last little bit, don't you? Such a good eater.